all of this reflection, and it have a mirror, so I'm looking at the mirror and I'm doing my lip gloss. This happens so many times with so many of us, like we are going out, we don't have a light and a mirror to do touch up to our lips. But let me show you the magic. This particular lip gloss, do you see this? It have a freaking light inside it, so plus you see all of the like light is focusing on my lips. Just do it like this and we are all good to go. This is the perfect lip gloss made for each and every woman. Like, look at it. Let me do some good lighting and show you the final result of the lip gloss. Look at it, how gorgeous it is, how stunning it looks. Amazing. It tastes so nice, it smells freaking nice, and the color speaks for itself. Build it up, you can use the glitter on it to get that glittery like Christmas theme, but if you also want to use it like this, it still looks stunning.